Hello from the stunning AQI Pegasos World inside Manavgat, Turkey. Welcome to the Fun Time Tour. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore this magnificent all-inclusive resort and share with you everything you need to know for your next Turkish adventure. Fun, happiness, and privilege await you at AQI Pegasos World inside Antalya. This captivating resort is a haven for families seeking unforgettable summer entertainment. With its giant pools, exhilarating water slides, and a pristine beach that dreams are made of, every moment here is filled with joy. Beyond the fun, AQI Pegasos World offers cozy accommodations, delectable dining experiences, and a vibrant entertainment scene. Whether you're lounging by the pool, savoring international and Turkish cuisines, or enjoying evening shows, this resort effortlessly combines comfort and amusement. Join us on the Fun Time Tour as we dive into the world of AQI Pegasos World, where summer holidays become cherished memories. As we start our journey through AQI Pegasos World inside Antalya, let's begin at the very beginning, the entrance. As you approach the resort, you're greeted by an inviting entrance that sets the tone for your stay. The drop-off area is convenient and well-organized, making your arrival hassle-free. Upon entering the lobby, you'll instantly feel the warm and welcoming ambience. The decor exudes elegance, and the attentive staff is ready to assist with your check-in, ensuring a smooth start to your adventure. The lobby serves as the heart of the resort, a place where you can relax, plan your activities, or simply admire the surroundings. From here, the world of AQI Pegasos World beckons with its promise of fun and relaxation. Now, let's talk about entertainment at AQI Pegasos World. No matter how young or young at heart you are, there's something here to keep you entertained. For our younger guests, we have fantastic animation shows that bring smiles and laughter to their faces. And if you're someone who enjoys the pool, you're in luck. There are poolside activities that allow you to have a blast without ever leaving the water. From thrilling competitions to incredible night entertainment and live music shows, there's a wide variety of options to choose from. At AQI Pegasos World, you're in control of your entertainment, and there's something for everyone to enjoy. Welcome to the spacious and comfortable family room with balcony and land view at AQI Pegasos World, perfect for larger families or groups. This generously sized room, spanning 36 square meters, provides ample space for up to 4 adults and 2 children to relax and unwind. The room is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities and a private balcony that offers serene views of the beautiful landscape. With a flexible layout and cozy furnishings, it's the ideal retreat after a day of adventures at the resort. Enjoy quality family time in this inviting space, where everyone can make cherished memories together. Hold on to your hats, folks, because AQI Pegasos World takes summer fun to a whole new level. If you're looking for excitement and adventure, you've come to the right place. This resort boasts an epic water park that spans an impressive 7,500 square meters, featuring a whopping 13 thrilling water slides. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking for some splashing good times, there's something here for everyone. The 17-meter-high tower is where the action begins, and with options like open top, closed top, boomerang, and more, each slide offers a unique and exhilarating experience. But the fun doesn't stop there. AQI Pegasos World's water park is a haven of aquatic excitement. With slides that twist, turn, and drop, it's an adventure waiting to happen. The boomerang slide, for example, will have you soaring up and down before a thrilling splashdown. And the little ones? They're not left out either. There's a specially designed children's pool with pirate ship-themed slides, where young adventurers can set sail on their own watery quests. If you prefer relaxation in calmer waters, AQI Pegasos World has got you covered with not 1, not 2, but 3 adult pools. They offer the perfect setting to soak up the sun, take a leisurely swim, or simply sip on your favorite beverage by the poolside. It's pure relaxation with the Mediterranean sun on your skin. And for those rare moments when you'd like a change from the sun, there's an inviting indoor pool. Whether it's a quick swim or a more relaxing dip, it's a great option to have, especially on those days when you want to stay cool while enjoying the water. So, whether you're an adventure seeker looking for the next thrill, a family wanting to make a splash, or someone who enjoys leisurely moments by the beach or pool, AQI Pegasos World has it all. It's a water lover's paradise, and guests of all ages are sure to have an unforgettable time in this aquatic wonderland. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the enchanting garden and serene environment here at AQI Pegasos World. As you step outside, you're greeted by a captivating landscape that's designed to transport you to a world of tranquility and natural beauty. The hotel's garden is a true oasis of greenery, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of nature. With manicured lawns, colorful flowers, and shady trees, it's a picturesque setting that's perfect for leisurely strolls, relaxation, or simply finding a quiet spot to unwind. Whether you're sipping on a refreshing drink at one of the outdoor seating areas or taking in the scenic views from your private balcony, the garden provides a sense of peace and serenity that's truly rejuvenating. And speaking of the environment, AQI Pegasos World is committed to sustainability and preserving the natural beauty of its surroundings. You'll find that the resort takes great care to maintain a clean and eco-friendly atmosphere, ensuring that your stay is not only enjoyable but also eco-conscious. From energy-efficient practices to waste reduction efforts, AQI Pegasos World strives to minimize its environmental footprint, allowing you to enjoy your vacation guilt-free. So, whether you're strolling through the garden, taking in the fresh air, or simply appreciating the resort's commitment to a sustainable environment, AQI Pegasos World offers a peaceful and eco-friendly backdrop to your unforgettable vacation. At AQI Pegasos World, your vacation isn't just about relaxation, it's about unforgettable moments of fun and luxury. Join in on the excitement at our legendary foam parties, where you'll be surrounded by clouds of frothy foam, dancing to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. It's pure joy for guests of all ages. And if you're in the mood for a touch of sophistication, picture this, sipping chilled champagne in the middle of the day right by our beautiful pool. It's a moment of indulgence and relaxation, a time to celebrate and create special memories in a truly idyllic setting. At AQI Pegasos World, we know how to make every moment extraordinary. AQI Pegasos World is not just a resort, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be savored. Our journey begins with Ambrosia, the main restaurant that offers a delectable symphony of flavors throughout the day. Starting your morning here is a treat with a hearty breakfast spread featuring fresh fruits, pastries, and savory breakfast dishes. But the culinary magic doesn't stop there. Ambrosia's all-inclusive concept means you can indulge in magnificent lunches and dinners. From international favorites to authentic Turkish cuisine, our chefs craft each dish to perfection, ensuring a memorable dining experience. Whether you choose to dine indoors or on the spacious outdoor terrace, the ambience at Ambrosia is always warm and inviting, enhancing your culinary journey. AQI Pegasos World is not just a resort, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be savored. Our journey begins with Ambrosia, the main restaurant that offers a delectable symphony of flavors throughout the day. Starting your morning here is a treat with a hearty breakfast spread featuring fresh fruits, pastries, and savory breakfast dishes. But the culinary magic doesn't stop there. Ambrosia's all-inclusive concept means you can indulge in magnificent lunches and dinners. From international favorites to authentic Turkish cuisine, our chefs craft each dish to perfection, ensuring a memorable dining experience. Whether you choose to dine indoors or on the spacious outdoor terrace, the ambience at Ambrosia is always warm and inviting, enhancing your culinary journey. And when it's time to unwind and toast to your vacation, AQI Pegasos World has you covered with a range of bars, each with its unique charm. Whether you're sipping on poolside refreshments under the sun's embrace or enjoying evening cocktails with the sea breeze as your companion, you'll find the perfect spot to relax and enjoy your favorite beverages. With a culinary adventure that's as diverse as it is delicious and bars offering delightful moments of leisure, AQI Pegasos World is not just a destination, it's a culinary and sensory delight for every guest. Now, let's dive deeper into the incredible beach experience at AQI Pegasos World, a slice of paradise that awaits you just steps away from your room. The resort's beach is a true gem, featuring soft, powdery sands that beckon you to take off your shoes and feel the warmth beneath your feet. Stretching along the coastline as far as the eye can see, it's a spacious haven where you can find your own piece of tranquility. And with its coveted blue flag status, you can trust that you're enjoying one of the cleanest and most environmentally responsible beaches in the region. To elevate your beach experience, comfortable beachfront sunbeds and parasols are provided, allowing you to relax in style while gazing out at the mesmerizing views of the Mediterranean Sea. Whether you're indulging in a good book, sipping on your favorite cocktails, or simply soaking up the sun, you'll find that every moment here is pure bliss. The sea itself is a true delight, with gentle waves that make it ideal for swimming and water play. Whether you're taking a leisurely swim to cool off or snorkeling to discover the vibrant marine life below, the inviting waters of the Mediterranean offer a refreshing escape from the sun. And for the ultimate beachside experience, don't miss the beachfront bar. Here, you can enjoy a variety of refreshing beverages, from tropical cocktails to ice-cold soft drinks. It's the perfect spot to quench your thirst and savor light bites without ever leaving the beach. In essence, the beach at AQI Pegasos World is not just a place, it's an experience. It's where the beauty of nature and the joy of vacation blend seamlessly, where the sound of waves becomes your soothing soundtrack, and the sea breeze your constant companion. It's an idyllic seaside retreat that promises relaxation, adventure, and endless moments of seaside serenity. As we conclude our unforgettable journey through AQI Pegasos World inside Antalya, Turkey, it's been an absolute pleasure having you with us. If you've enjoyed this virtual tour and want to continue exploring incredible destinations and experiences, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the Fun Time Tour for more thrilling travel content. Your comments and feedback mean the world to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions down below. Until our next adventure, whether it's here at AQI Pegasos World or in destinations yet to be discovered, may your travels be filled with fun, joy, and unforgettable memories. Safe travels, and we'll see you in our next video.